Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to discuss infinite geometric series. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so let's take a look at the concept that we must remember in dealing with infinite geometric series. An infinite geometric sequence with initial term a sub 1 and common ratio r has a sum given by this formula. Okay, S. Okay, this is the symbol for infinity. So that's equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. See that? Okay. Okay, take note, in this case, the absolute value of r is less than 1. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, your r is greater than negative 1 but less than 1. So, may restriction yung common ratio natin. See that? Okay, now, this is best explained with this series. Suppose I'm going to add 1/2. Okay, 1/4 plus 1/8. Okay, plus 1 over 16 up to infinity. So, the sum of this, using this formula, is given by the first term, which is 1/2, okay, over 1 minus the common ratio. Ang common ratio natin, once again, okay, so 1/4 over 1/2 is 1/2, 1/8 over 1/4 is 1/2. So, clearly, the common ratio is 1/2. Okay, so therefore, 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2 is actually equal to 1. Okay, now, ano ibig sabihin? So, let's take a look at this. Okay, so suppose I have here a unit square. When you say unit square, the side is equal to 1. Okay, see that? So, if the side is 1, so this portion is 1/2. Okay, 1/2. This is 1/4 of the entire square. This is 1/8, 1 over 16, and so on. So, look, if I'm going to add all the fractional part, okay, towards infinity, that's equal to the entire square, which is 1. See the relation? Okay. There you go. Okay? So, I hope clear tayo dito. Okay? Ito lang yung formula na i-memorize natin. And, of course, the condition. Okay? So, let's have this. Okay, example number 1. Find the sum of the infinite geometric sequence, 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 2 over 9, and so on. Okay, let's find out first, so if geometric ba yan? Okay, so 1/3 over 1/2 is 2/3, right? So 1/3 over 1/2, okay, equal ba yan sa 2 over 9 over 1/3? So that is equal to 2/3. So therefore, our common ratio is 2/3. Okay, now, so since clear tayo na geometric yan, I can now apply this formula. Okay, so which is less than 1. Okay, ang common ratio natin is less than 1. So that is a over 1 minus r. That will be 1/2 over 1 minus the common ratio, which is 2/3. See that? So, simplifying this will give us 1/2 over 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. Right? So, therefore, 1/2 over 1/3, we know the answer here is 3 over 2. Okay? So, therefore, ibig sabihin, kapag inad ko to towards infinity, the sum is 3/2 or 1.5. Clear? Okay, let's have problem number 2. Find the sum of the infinite geometric sequence, 2 minus 1/2 plus 1/8 minus 1 over 32 towards infinity. Okay. Once again, check natin if the common ratio is from negative 1 to 1. Okay? So, that is, check natin. Ang negative 1/2, okay, over 2 ba? Equal ba yan? So, 1/8 over negative 1/2. So, that is, that's equal to negative 1/4. Tama? So, okay. Because ang negative 1/4 is pasok dun sa range natin. Take note, okay, ang range natin should be from negative 1 to 1 exclusive. Okay? Dapat hindi lalagpas dito. Or within this range. Clear? Okay. So, meaning to say, in geometric yan, okay? So, you can now apply this. Okay, you can now apply the formula. So that is, the first term is 2 over 1 minus the common ratio, which is negative 1/4. See that? Okay, so that is 2 over 1 minus 1 minus negative 1/4. Okay, this one will become positive. So that is 5 over 4. Right? And this one is 2 times 4/5. Diba? Ganun lang yan. Okay? So that's clearly 8 over 5. Okay, problem number 3. Find the sum of the infinite geometric series 2/5 plus 3 over 5 squared plus 2 over 5 cubed plus 3 over 5 to the 4th and so on. Okay, obviously, if I'm going to divide 3 over 5 raised to 2 by 2 over 5, that's not equal to 2 over 5 cubed over 3 over 5 squared. Okay? Pag dinivide mo yan, yung second term by first term, okay, that's not equal to the third term divided by the second term. So, hindi mo makukuha yung common ratio that we used to do in the previous example. Okay? So, dito may common ratio yan, di ba? But dito, definitely, if we're going to divide it, hindi magi-equal. And I'm not going to show it here. Okay? Because that will take too long. Okay. Then, now, anong gagawin natin? Okay, take note, if I'm going to continue this, yung pattern, okay, so the next here will become 2 over 5 raised to 5. Okay, followed by plus 3 over 5 to the 6, and so on. Okay, now, if I'm going to group this, okay, if I'm going to group this first and second, third and fourth, okay, then the fifth and the sixth, and so on, meron tayong ma-generate na pattern. Ano ibig sabihin? Look, if I'm going to factor out 1 over 5 squared, dun sa third and fourth term natin, look what will happen. If I'm going to factor out 1 over 5 squared, what will be left here is 2/5 plus 3 over 5 squared. Right? Next, plus, same thing, I'm going to factor out 1 over 5 to the 4th. Okay? That will be 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5 squared. There you go. So, I hope nakikita niyo na. Okay? So, look, para natin sinabi, this group here, itong term na to, okay, is equal lang yan. Right? Equal lang sila. So, meaning to say, sa madaling sabi, if I'm going to have this as one variable, kunyari lang, no, if this is A, okay, plus 1 over 5 squared A, plus 1 over 5/4 A, you'll see here that the common ratio is 1 over 5 squared. See that? I hope clear sa atin yan. So, ang common ratio niyan is 1 over 5 squared. So, there you go. Okay, so, parang ganun yung ibig sabihin. So, let me erase this. Okay? Okay, I hope clear bakit naging 1 over 5 squared ang ratio. Now, so what will be, so since infinite na yan, okay, sum to infinity, so we can now apply this formula. So, again, A over 1 minus R, that is, my first term is this, right? So, yung 2/5 plus 3 over 25, okay, all over 1 minus 25, right? So, that is, okay, so, 25 yan, 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 2, that will be 10, right? Plus 3, all over 24 over 25. So, clearly, makakancel ko yung 1 over 25, right? So, therefore, the answer here is 13 over 24. See that? I hope nakuha niyo yung naging trick dito. Okay? Yung naging technique natin. How we are able to get the common ratio. Okay? Next. Similar problem to this one. Okay, so 1 over 7, 2 over 7 squared, 3 over 7 cubed, and so on. Then, ulit. Diba? So, the next here is 1 over 7 raised to 7, plus 2 over 7 to the 8, plus 3 over 7 to the 9, and so on. Okay. So, with that, okay, ang magiging grouping natin is this. Okay, ang magiging grouping natin, so, yung first 3, okay, followed by the 4th and the 6th term, and so on. So, basta ang clear sa atin, like here, diba? So, na-generate natin yung common ratio. Ganon din dito. So, no need to write 1 over 7 raised to 7 up to 3 over 7 raised to 9. So, no need for that. Okay. So, now, what we're going to do is this. So, kailangan matira yung 7, 7 squared, 7 cubed dito. So, what I'm going to do is to factor out 1 over 7. So that, what will be left here is 1 of, no. Ang factor out ko dyan, dapat 7 matira dito. So, I'm going to factor out 1 over 7 cubed. See that? Okay. So, that is 1 over 7 plus 2 over, so naglabas ako ng 7 cubed. So, this one will become 7 squared, like this. Okay, plus 3 over 7 to the 6. Labas ka ng 7 cubed. So, what will be left is 7 cubed. And so on. See that? So, therefore, this will be now my common ratio. Yung 1 over 7 cubed. Alright? There you go. Okay, so therefore, the sum to infinity, so that's equal to, okay, so, first term is this, diretsuhin ko na. So, the first term is, okay, 7 cubed, okay, 7 cubed divided by 7, that's 7 squared, right? So, that's 49, alright, plus 7 cubed divided by 7 squared is 7 times 2, so that will be 14. Okay, plus 3. And we know, so yung 49 plus 14 plus 3, that's 66. Okay, so meaning to say, yung numerator ko is already 66 over 7 cubed. Okay, all over 1 minus, ano ba yung common ratio ko? Again, ang common ratio ko is 1 over 7 cubed. So that's what we're going to substitute here. So that is 1 minus 1 over 7 cubed. See that? And what is 1 minus 7 cubed? That's simply, ang 7 cubed, take note, ang 7 cubed is 343. Okay? 7 cubed is 343 minus 1, that will be 342. All over 7 cubed. So clearly, maka-cancel dyan yung 1 over 7 cubed. See that? So what will be left is this, 66 over 342. So since both of them are even, so you can simplify that. So 66 over 342, so divide ko ng 6, so that will become 11. Ang 342 divided by 6, that will be 57. Yeah, 57. There you go. Okay? So that's it. Once again, the sum of this series, of this geometric sequence, or infinite geometric series is 11 over 57. Clear?